How to sell Roblox items. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can sell your Roblox items in Roblox. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things that I have to mention is, in order to actually sell Roblox items, you're going to need to have Roblox Premium. Now, to get Roblox Premium, just simply click on here Get Premium button over here on the left side, and you will be taken over here onto this page where you just simply have to click on Get Premium, scroll down, and just simply choose any accounts over here. So now what these basically do will actually allow you to access premium benefits within the experience, access exclusive avatar shops and item discounts, get 10% more Robux when you buy, and unlock ability to trade items as well. So which is also pretty cool. So without premium, you can't actually sell any item, you can't trade any item or anything like that. You're gonna need to have premium. There's no way around that, nowhere on top of that, nowhere under that, anything else. And once you have premium, and only then will you be able to go ahead and sell different items. Now let's just assume that you have a Roblox Premium. Now what you will do next is just simply come over here, catalogs over here. Let's say over here you have a item that you would like to sell, for example, right? What you will do is just simply choose an item you want to sell. All right, click on that item and then just simply click on the three buttons over here at the top, and you will be able to get an option. All right, and then once you have that option, just simply click on add in your price, and then just simply click on sell, and you're good to go. So it's pretty simple, it's really easy. Now I don't have any premium option, so I can't really sell any items, but the process is simple. Just go into your inventory, find an item that you want as I showed you before, and then just simply click on the three dots at the top like over here, and then just simply click on sell. So for now I'm only getting add to profile and that kind of option, but for you, when acquire an item, just simply click on the three dots and you will have like a sell option or a trade option as well. Now another thing that you can do is you can actually go ahead and trade to other people as well. And for this method, I mean, of course you're going to need premium, but for this method you don't really need premium, because in this method you won't just trade your items to anyone. You can only trade your items with only your friends and the people you trust. So be sure to do that, otherwise you're going to get scammed, and I hate to see you guys lose your item. So make sure, if you're going to trade with only your friends and family members or the people that you trust that play Roblox, and only sell it to those so that you don't get scammed and lose all of your items. So keep that in mind. So basically two ways to sell your items: get premium and sell your items to the marketplace and trade it with anyone, or trade it with your friends and family members who are close to you. That's pretty much it. There's no other way around that. You can't sell your items unless you have premium. And another thing that I wanted to tell you, Roblox, is that you can also create your different accounts as well. So over here you can create anything you can want, you can make anything you can imagine, and you can start for free and immerse creation, and you can create your own items as well. And then hopefully you can sell those items as well. But for that one, you're also going to need premium. You're going to need premium for that one as well. Just simply click on creating over here. It'll take you over to the Roblox studio, where you just simply have to create your items and then you can sell them online. So you just simply have to download the studio as well. So let me just go ahead and download it. You're going to need a little bit of coding involved. I'm pretty sure that's gonna involve it. Okay, so now that the studio has been downloaded, let's go ahead and install it on our computer. There you go. It's connecting to Roblox, getting the latest update and all of that. There you go. So I'm just simply going to let it download in the background. And once it's downloaded, I'm going to show you how it looks like. And once you have signed up, this is how it looks like. This is the Roblox Studio. So over here, you can go ahead and create different items. You have your games over here. You will have your recents over here, and you will have your archives over here. So it's pretty simple. It's really good. So let's go ahead and click on base plate over here. And over here, we're going to go ahead and try to create something. I hope we can create something. This is my first time actually trying to create something. So over here, this is how you move around. You hold your mouse button down and you use the right click to, move it, and you use the mouse button to move up and down. So this is how it looks like, right? Now over here, you will have players. You can go ahead and add different players over here. You have a lot of different options. You have your camera, you have your terrain, you have your spawn locations over here. Let's go ahead and click over here, and over here you can add different textures. You have different things over here. Let's say you want to have pants over here, you will add pants. You want to have different things. But where is everything? I don't see them getting loaded up or anything. Now, if we click over here, we can go ahead and move this out. This is going to be the base plate over here. You have everything you need. You have your players over here. Click detector. We also added click detector over here. Over here, you have some other badges as well. You have your wall. As you can see, you can go ahead and add different things. I mean, properly, you're going to need a big creator. You need to have a lot of experience creating this stuff. But I'm pretty sure it's easy enough. If I had the time, I could probably learn how to do that as well. Same thing goes for you guys as well. You can go ahead and learn what to do and how to create your own items as well. And then you can sell them online onto, the Roblox studio. So it's pretty simple. It's really easy. And remember, guys, you're gonna need premium to actually, buy Roblox items. Otherwise, you can't buy them. And great thing is that you can actually, buy Robux over here for just 4.99. You can have like 400 bucks, and if you subscribe, you get 450 bucks every single month for 4.99. So which I think you should get. You shouldn't get the other two plans because they give you like for 9.99 you get like 1,000 Robux, and for $20 a month you get 2,200 bucks. But I think that's a little bit too much. But for beginners, I think that 4.99 is good. So that's how you basically do it. As I said before, you're gonna need premium, otherwise you can't do it. And you can create other items yourself using the studio items. Then you can go ahead and sell them as well. So let me just go ahead and actually buy some of these things over here. There you go, purchase complete. Now, do I own them? I don't understand why they aren't showing over here. Maybe in the heads over here. I have the heads. What if here? So these are like the hair. There we go. So these are all the items over here. So as I said before, if you click on these three buttons over here, you will have more options. You will have a sell option and you will have buy option if you have, the premium, and that's how you basically do it. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below. And also, you can't just, sell items. You can also sell avatars as well. So if you click over here on avatars, you go over here, you will have all these different avatars as well. So let me just go ahead and go into the trade option over here. As I said before, you can have trades as well. But let me just go ahead and see the catalog over here. Over here, you can have like the avatar shop over here at the top. If you click on avatar shop, you can go ahead and buy different avatars over here. So as you can see, you have a bunch of different avatars. So some are for free, some are for, amount of money, like 425 Robux, for 400 Robux, 250 Robux, but a lot of them are free. And you can also sell different avatars as well. So if you happen to buy or create an avatar and you want to sell them, you can go ahead and sell them as well. So it's pretty amazing. It's really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. I mean, I didn't do much, but still, I mean, I did show you how to do it, but not as much as I could. But I'm sure you guys now understand how you can sell different items on Roblox. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.